Good morning. I will you about my experience out of my country. Since January 5 to January 10, 2018, I went to Chile in the city of Santiago for capacitation of machine and tools. The company that I work products was a pleasant experience because I learned a lot and I developed it in my work. Also, I went to Europe, to Italy, at the city of Rome, and was a pleasant experience too, because it's another culture and the language was not so complicated like the English. Sure, when they speak quiet the language in the city, I didn't understand very well. I share my bedroom with one Argentine and one Canadian co-workers. They were so messy. I have I have been cleaning our bedroom before we are going to prepare uh, our breakfast because they never do anything, even they didn't flick their bed. The English language for me was to be a bit complicated because I didn't understand it. I think the language should be practiced a lot by watching videos, like movies, or listen to music. Help a lot to listen and practices new words. And finally, allow to listen and practice new words. Uh, I would like sorry. Finally, I would like to go to work to Germany, to the Munich city, because there are companies that produces cares, and I like the production's work. The Germany, no, the German language, it's complicated, but I think the practicing I could learning. I agreed with the article of Eman Dolphin. Good night, Miss.